Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're back, and today my girlfriend is driving my 2023 GMC Sierra AT4 Duramax, which is on a 6.5-inch lift and 37-inch tires. Yeah, let's get it.
I don't want to do this.
Yeah, you got it. It's just like your Ford Fiesta. Just,
yeah, it is.
You know, a few feet more off the ground.
Like...
All right. Figure out where your brakes are and everything. You know?
I know where my brakes are.
Oh, okay.
That's at least the same.
Right, exactly. You got it?
You're funny. Okay.
All right. Foot on the brake.
My foot is on the brake.
Got it. And now, no, column. Yeah, just pull down.
Pull down?
Yeah, just pull down.
What do you mean?
Yeah, just, down. Just pull down.
I'm pulling down.
Okay,
Cameron.
so generally speaking, there you go. All right, be very careful. There's a lot of power.
I hate it.
Okay, you got it.
I'm not. I don't actually.
I trust you.
Do you trust me?
I trust you.
Don't.
Go right. There's more room to go right than there is to go left. Imagine if you had to. Whoa. This turns very wide.
I can tell.
Okay.
I can't.
All right, you got it. All right.
I need to go up.
Trust me. You think you're worried? I'm worried too.
I'm worried.
You got it. Okay.
You're worried too?
Yeah, hell yeah, I'm
letting
worried.
me do this?
No, you're good. I promise you're okay.
Oh, do you promise me?
Yes, you're more than okay.
I told you the story about me crashing my dad's truck.
Whoa. That's not what you tell me right when you're driving my truck. You know what I mean? Like, all right,
It is what I'm telling you, actually.
You know, this is quite nice. I've never been a passenger in my truck. I really feel like a princess, you know? You got it nice over here. Alrighty. Just nice and straight. There you go.
Thanks, Cameron.
You're welcome.
Wow, I'm glad I can't fucking see any of yours.
Yeah. Is it because the tint?
No, mirrors aren't set for me. They're set for you.
Right. Okay. I promise you, everybody just gets out of your way anyways. Also, your seat will vibrate.
If I don't know where to.
Your seat will vibrate if you're going too far either direction. So if you go into this lane a little bit too much, it'll vibrate, and you just turn it back that way. Okay. All right. It's super easy.
It's super easy.
It is.
I'm terrified right now.
You're fine. You're doing good. All right, let's turn the exhaust brake on. And, see, this is just like, thank you. I get that a lot. This is just like your Fiesta, you know?
Oh, no, it's not. Not at all.
It is.
Not even a little.
It's black.
It's black.
It is. All right, watch out. You're going to want to get in. Alrighty.
I see.
Do you feel that vibrating?
I do.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Oh, the seat vibrates.
The seat
on
vibrates
the
on the side that you're going over.
Weird.
Yeah. No, it's
It's nice.
It's nice. Yeah, I didn't know what it was at first, and then I was like, oh, it's a safety feature.
It's a safety feature. Mind you get in your way.
Not always. Actually, next to never. But
Next to never.
yeah,
Except for always.
this is going on YouTube, so please keep it age appropriate.
Age appropriate.
Yes. Oh man, it's funny. I have this sponsorship company who's expecting me to drop a video, and they're gonna lose their mind when they see the very first video that I drop is letting my girlfriend drive my truck, unedited. This is gonna be an unedited video. Yeah. All right, nice and easy. 20 miles an hour. That's definitely 22. Alrighty, that's pretty much 20.
I'm working on it.
You are. You're doing a great job. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Congratulations, you've been promoted.
I'm really not enjoying this at all. We'll drive to Lions and then you can...
Lions, wow.
That's where we're going.
That's where we're going?
I mean, that's the...
That's where we're going? Why don't you get on the highway? No, get on the highway and lay into it. Please. No, please. You'll be fine, I promise.
I really don't want to.
You got it.
I really don't want to.
You are safe. This is the safest vehicle to not know how to drive.
Oh, I'm so glad.
It is. You're doing great.
Thanks.
At least,
Driving.
whatever truck you crashed that was your dad's, you did him a favor.
It was his old green truck.
His old green truck.
It was a Ford. Something.
Oh, a Ford. Yeah, you did him a
Ford
favor.
something.
Granted, he got another Ford,
I was like,
but
he still drive. I drive a Ford, Cameron.
we'll work on that. One thing at a time, my love. Alrighty. Look at this beautiful day. Can't complain. Beautiful woman. Beautiful truck. Great view, you know. This is all unedited. This is one shot, except for like the intro. It's a one take wonder. Ooh, that's a nice truck. Don't hit it. Good.
They got over it.
Yeah. All right. So, if you want, you could go left, but I would say go right. Go right. We're going west today. I would assume that's west. I actually have no idea.
Oh.
All right, turn signal, still working the truck. Okay. All right, you see Paulson Road?
Paulson.
Yeah, this one. Go ahead and cut that left, would you, please? Onto Paulson. Turn signals to the right of the steering column. You got it. All right, let's wait for this guy to speed by. Nice and easy. There we go. Yeah. Very good.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. I'm not going to let you crash this. See,
I know you're not going to let me crash it.
The most important part of you being a driver is having a good truck commander to your right.
Well, to be fair, that is why I crashed my dad's truck.
Because your dad was
He
being...
yelled at me and
Yeah.
I panicked.
See, that's not going to do you any favors,
No,
right?
it did me absolutely no favors.
Exactly. So I just got to be a nice, steady hand.
You gotta not yell at me, yeah?
Reassure you, let you know that I
Otherwise I'll
trust
panic.
you. Trust is one of the most important parts of
I
this.
don't think you do trust me.
I 100% trust you. You would not be driving right now if I didn't trust you.
That's fair.
This iPhone quality is, well, it's not wonderful. It's doing something, that's for sure. For those of you who don't understand the situation, so this is my girlfriend Jordan. She generally drives a Ford Fiesta, 2018 Ford Fiesta, the last year of the great Ford Fiesta, and we're currently in Washington State. I'm currently in Washington State. We are both here. My truck's here. You may be wondering, oh, Cameron, what are you doing in Washington? Why aren't you in California? Well, we're filming a YouTube video. Happy Easter. Keep going. She's speeding. It's definitely a 25. She's going
It is
31.
now.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. Sorry. All right. So this is just like the Fiesta. Old man alert.
I see.
Got it. He can't see you. Ooh, old lady alert. Old lady alert.
I see.
Okay.
I see all the people. All the
We should
people
go
on the
crash them. Not like crash into them, like go crash that party. Yeah. That looked like some good food.
I did. That
Egg
looks
salad,
like a good party.
potato salad, fruit salad. I'm such a fruit salad fan. Yeah, I usually blow by them. They were probably surprised that you were going the speed limit. They thought it was, they thought it was that idiot teenager. Uh-oh. Whoa. I'm just kidding.
What?
Nothing. We're good.
I was trying to be aware over there. I didn't
Yeah.
hear, so.
No, you're doing a great job.
Thanks. I'm trying really hard, actually.
This is way smoother than that Fiesta, I'll tell you. No disrespect to the
If I
Fiesta.
could drive it right, yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
Drive the Fiesta right or this?
This.
You're driving this perfectly. Can you see?
Can't know.
The seat goes up. You're gonna.
The seat is up.
It's up all the way.
Well, if I move it much farther, I fear my foot will feel weird on the gas.
Well.
But I think we're pretty close.
No. Up as in like.
Oh, I know. I went up.
Not forward. Up.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I am also all the way forward.
Wow. Nice. Okay. Well, the brakes. You're having help right now. There's the
Yeah,
exhaust
I
brake.
Could tell.
Got it.
Because I didn't press the brakes that hard.
Yeah. Alrighty. You're getting a little close to this ditch.
Am
Let's keep it a little this way. It's all part of the experience, I suppose. Trust me, everybody's gonna get out of your way on this side. The ditch isn't gonna get out of your way on that side. So.
The ditch can't move.
That's right.
You can.
That's correct. People will learn. All right, let's cut this left, please, ma'am. Lean back so you can see where you're
I don't know
going.
how long your truck is.
It's 22 and a half feet.
I'm gonna wait for this person.
That's a great idea.
Thanks, because I don't know how long or how anything is.
Okay. You're doing a good job. I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
Yep. Alrighty. Let's say this footage is not half bad. I don't ever film on an iPhone. The last iPhone video I've done was 4 years ago, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. So it's quite nice to have just an iPhone video going.
Really nice.
Going on 10 minutes, by the way. 10-minute video so far. It's a no-cut video. Did I mention there's no cuts? It's gonna be this right turn, as you may recall. So when you get on the highway, just lay into it.
I really, really don't want to.
Okay, both hands on the steering wheel, please.
Okay.
Alrighty, you got it. Alright.
Alright, that was a hard turn.
Yep.
I'm learning, Cameron.
You are. Alrighty. Alright, good job.
Thanks.
No problem. Alright, moment of truth. Is she gonna kill us?
Not gonna kill us?
Yeah, lay into it. Go ahead. Let's go. Alright, and we're going the speed limit, which is now 55, 56. See, it's not hard.
I didn't say it was hard, but it's scary.
You're right, you're right.
Especially when I don't have any gosh dang mirrors.
Oh, those
didn't
mirrors,
adjust
those
my mirrors at
pesky
all.
mirrors. Why don't we go to Target?
Target?
Target. Wow, yeah, lay into it. Good job. Heck yeah. Woo!
Stop.
You're a speed demon. You're doing 70. Wow. This is quite nice. Yeah, you got a good seat. This is a front row seat. Okay. Well, let's stop at Target. You know, let the man with the plan, who gives a damn, and his name's Cam, hop in the truck. Well, I'm in the truck, but like over there where you're sitting. Alrighty. Don't worry, it won't let you speed.
I know. This is like I might as well not even press the brake.
Yeah, you could
It's
probably
not even
hit
let
the
me do
gas.
the speed limit.
Yeah. Well, because it goes down to 30, and I think it tracks it by GPS.
That makes sense.
So,
So I was like, yeah, because it's dropping down to 45.
yeah. The truck's smarter than me and you combined. Well, I mean, it's got a lot of technology, so you're brilliant in your own mind. Let him in.
I'm letting him in.
Okay.
Relax.
Well, of course they would be wearing colorful glasses. Like, they look really woke.
So, barely gave me the money they were coming over.
Yeah, I think she just assumed. Alrighty, you're gonna want to start braking.
I'm braking.
Alrighty.
I think that is the most difficult part of your truck right now.
Is braking?
Yes.
Mm.
Well, just because obviously the weight of your truck is different than my car, because my car is tiny,
Sure.
and so it takes a lot more to brake.
That's
your
why
truck.
we just turn the exhaust brake on and we cross our fingers that you stop in time. Most accidents are caused by people not braking. Because, they crash into each other. And that's a culmination of not braking. It was very stupid. I apologize. Yeah, that's one of my clients. The people who started the trails. That's Cal Central Real Estate. They have a good product. So, we're at the almost done part of the video. And how does it feel?
I was just telling you how.
No. Like, other than that, other than
I'm just
braking.
scared.
Okay. Scared.
I think it would be better if I could trust myself to drive your truck.
One day you will.
One
One day
day.
you will. Yeah, absolutely. The most important thing is that I trust you. So, that should be an extension of trust for yourself. You'll get there. Don't take the stoplight turn. Yeah, take the wide one, because the stoplight turn's very,
It is.
yeah. It's best left for the professionals. Okay, all right, getting a little close to this curb. Yes. Rightfully so, it's in your jeans. Okay. Let's not. Alrighty. And just like that, Target's closed because Easter. That's right.
Good thing, because I'm not going to be able to park your truck.
It's correct. That's correct. That's true. That's correct. That's all of the above.
Where would you like me to go?
Honestly, a stop at your earliest convenience at this point. I'm just kidding. Anywhere in here is fine. You can end the video in a amicable fashion.
Park your truck.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Forward park, because that's me.
Oh, you like to Ford park?
No.
Because you drive a Ford?
Because your truck is large.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. You're in reverse. There we go. Yeah, too easy.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Let's see where your heart rate's at now. Wow, 115, and you're not even moving.
I'm kind of shaking. You can kind of see me shaking. I hate that. You're ridiculous.
I mean, she can't even like park in the lines to save her life, but it's cool. So that's the video. To the sponsor who's expecting a video from me, I'm working on it. I promise I'm working on it. Be patient. Okay, so I'm sorry. First off, I can't review your product. Like, I really tried to, but you sent me the wrong one. I have a wireless CarPlay system. Why would you send me a wired CarPlay system and like expect me to make a video out of it? That's your fault. You should reevaluate your decisions in life. For those of you who are new to the channel and this is your first time stopping by, I hope you enjoyed this one take-ish video. There's no cuts, no edits, none of that. This is just one take, the main portion of it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a good day and or night wherever you may find yourselves. And if you're new viewers out there, be sure to subscribe. Peace.